Here's some Ohio weather right now. This is a ruler in the snow, so we got more than a foot of snow. My car was so covered earlier, but now it's cleared off, so we're gonna get a cold start. And we've got a go-kart we can have lots of fun with. This thing should start, because I did just get a battery for it not too long ago. Oh, she's cold. She's sounding healthy. Boy, she's cold. We're gonna see how this goes. I don't know if it's gonna go that well since there's over a foot of snow out there, but we're gonna give it the beans. Oh. Y'all do not know how much fun I just had. That go-kart isn't going anywhere in this foot of snow, but she going side to side on the streets. Holy.